to try to play it faster. So let's do this. We'll play all three notes together and then E, like that. But quickly. Very light, look. Very light like this. But here all of them. Okay, and now we'll separate tiny bit. Perfect. Did you hear how quickly you played it? So the secret is to keep fingers as close to the keys as possible. If you try to lift your fingers, it will sound very slow and kind of clumsy a little bit, okay? But if we do this, try again, couple times like this, and then separate. Don't rush, in between. And then, very nice. Let's try to play again from the beginning, a little faster. Jumping too much. Look. Legato. And then the thing. Yes. Together. Perfect. What happened here? Let's try this measure. Make sure your left hand goes exactly together with the right hand, otherwise it's a little bit distorted, okay? Listen here. Like one note. Why? Left hand was much ahead of the right hand. This part, even though it's forte, it still shouldn't sound like that. It's kind of noisy, right? We want to hear this main note. Yes, and with the left hand. Don't poke. Think cello. Don't poke. And these are little scoops. Yes, when you play chromatic scale, you kind of limping. Can you put some a little bit taller and a little bit closer to the black keys? Yes, good job. Okay. Look at those. That was great.